Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download create sales forecasts in Dynamics 365, full guide step by step clearly. Open Dynamics 365 and log in to your account. Navigate to the Sales module on the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Forecast option. Access the Sales Forecast menu to view your existing forecasts. Select New Forecast to create a fresh sales forecast. Fill in the required fields such as forecast name and description. Choose the relevant time frame for your forecast. Select the currency and any necessary metrics you want to include. Set your forecasted revenue targets for each period. Add your sales team members who will contribute to this forecast. Include any products or services that will be part of the forecast. Review all entered details to ensure accuracy. Save the forecast to store your entries. To download the forecast, look for the Export option. Click on Export to Excel to download your sales forecast file. Open the downloaded Excel file to review your forecast data. Make any necessary adjustments or calculations within Excel. Save or share the file as needed for your team or stakeholders. Return to Dynamics 365 for further analysis or report generation. Utilize the insights from your forecast to inform your sales strategies. Regularly update your forecast to reflect changing market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.